Ryan, as Michigan schools gear up for the return of students, there's a lot of talk about masking policies. Some districts are mandating face coverings, but the majority are not. A mask optional plan is not sitting well with some families in Grosse Pointe. Fox 2's Robin Murdoch live with more. Good morning, Robin.
Good morning, Amy. You know, this really is a topic that people are passionate about. You can hear it in their voices. You can see it in their faces. And let me tell you, the Grosse Pointe Board of Education, they got an earful last night.
And this has happened through, excuse me, this is my time now.
Another day, another school district divided by their mask policy. During Monday night's Grosse Pointe Board of Education meeting, the topic created turmoil yet again. Passionate pleas from both sides.
This masks optional policy is an embarrassment to our community. This is our last opportunity to rise to the level of peer districts like Birmingham, Bloomfield Hills, Ann Arbor, and Forest Hills and rejoin them as leaders. Stop passing the buck.
Administrators earlier this month detailed the district's return to school plan that does not require face coverings. They cited low COVID cases in the area combined with high vaccination rates.
America has always been a country based on freedom, so we should be free to choose whether we want to wear a mask or whether you don't want to wear a mask.
The board describes this as a fluid situation, saying their policy can change should COVID numbers change. Currently, about 7,500 students attend Grosse Pointe schools. Due to a lack of interest, there isn't a virtual option.
We are working very hard with our principals to try to maximize and keep us at 3 feet of distance as much as we can inside of schools. It's not always possible, but it's quite often possible.
Lunch and other gatherings will also be held outside when the conditions allow. Both the CDC and State Health Department have recommended students mask up. That is why some parents continue to speak up when they hear otherwise.
We are seeing schools shut down all across the country in tandem with hospitals overflowing in the ICU units, and we have to learn from the mistakes of others.
As you know, it is up to local school districts to decide on their mask policy, and that is often why you are seeing a lot of these school board meetings, Board of Education meetings getting so heated these days. By law, all students must wear masks, though, on school buses. We are live in Grosse Pointe Farms this morning. Robin Murdoch, Fox 2 News.
Yeah, Robin, I think the point you made about it being so fluid and likely to change is probably pretty spot on.
Yeah, I think everybody is just kind of keeping an eye on the numbers right now just to see. I mean, there's a lot of predictions that what is happening down in the South right now will eventually happen here. Once kids get into the classroom, once we start doing more activity indoors. So, yeah, I think everybody is keeping an eye on those numbers and are ready to pivot should we need to once again. Back to you, Amy.
All right. Thank you very much, Robin Murdoch. We always appreciate you.